Hello guys and welcome back to Instamix Fashion, your ultimate destination for the latest in the world of fashion modeling. We've reached 2.03 million subscribers, thanks to your incredible support. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell icon for notifications on our newest videos. In today's feature, we're exploring the life and career of Bianca KRIGOVSKYŞ, an Australian fashion icon. Bianca, a celebrated fashion model and Instagram sensation, has captivated the hearts of over 189K followers with her stunning modeling photos and videos. Bianca's journey in the fashion world began in her home country, Australia. Fueled by her passion for modeling, she embarked on this path during her education years and has since seen her career soar. She's not just a pretty face, Bianca is a force to be reckoned with in the industry. Her influence extends to brand associations, where she's become a sought-after face for numerous fashion, makeup, and lingerie brands. Her dynamic presence and versatility make her a favorite, and she's expected to grace several prestigious fashion and entertainment magazines soon. Financially, Bianca's success is just as impressive. Her net worth is estimated to be over $600,000, a testament to her hard work and dedication in modeling, brand promotions, and endorsements. But what about Bianca herself? This fashion icon stands at 5 feet 6 inches and weighs around 75 kilograms. Her striking black hair and eyes are not just her defining features, they are a part of her unique charm and appeal that has captivated audiences worldwide. Bianca KRIGOVSKYŞ's journey is an inspiring tale of passion and perseverance. Make sure to follow her for more stunning fashion insights. For more such fascinating stories and the latest fashion trends, stay tuned to Instamix Fashion. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep up with fashion.